Hello there. Welcome to Festo's virtual SPS stand here in Esslingen. My name is Colin Burke. I'm a business developer for electric automation here at Festo. And of course, we would prefer to see you all in person at SPS in Nuremberg, but unfortunately, it just was not to be this time. So today, I'm going to take a few minutes and want to give you a quick tour of our stand and introduce you to our seamless connectivity from the workpiece to the cloud. So, Festo, as you may know, is known as a pneumatic supplier. However, we also have an extensive electric automation offering, from linear movements, rotary movements, simple movements, to complex 3D interpolation. And that also side by side with pneumatics. Festo, with a seamless connectivity portfolio, can offer that all. And it's this choice between pneumatics, electrics, or a mixture of both that forms the core of our seamless connectivity portfolio. Seamless connectivity, from a mechanical level, our axes and mechanics fit together perfectly, to an electrical level with our servo drives, one cable solutions, easy to commission, all the way to an intelligent level with our CPX-E controllers, giving you connectivity up to the cloud. So if we move over to our connectivity wall, you'll see that Festo's electric automation portfolio is broader than ever before. On a horizontal level, via remote IOs, simple cost-effective motion, electric actuators, up to and including complex motions with our servo drive packages. On a vertical level, we'll see we have the mechanical connectivity I mentioned before, electrical connectivity with our servo drives, all the way up to intelligent connectivity with seamless connectivity with all main PLC suppliers. Therefore, from the shop floor up to the higher level control system, the connectivity is there. So if we want to see the first marriage of the simplicity of pneumatics with the benefits of electric automation, we look no further than Simplified Motion series. Here, with our Simplified Motion series, we have various mechanical solutions, however, with our motors and electronics on board. If you are happy with just an end-to-end solution, or maybe a movement to a press function, then you don't even need commissioning software or tools. It can all be commissioned here on the device itself, saving you time and money. However, if you do want to utilize every millimeter of the stroke length or every millimeter of the rotation, connect it to IO Link, and you can freely position the devices as your application sees fit. Therefore, giving you a cost-effective solution and an entry into the electric automation world. Speaking of IO Link, Festo's portfolio of IO Link components is also growing like never before. From sensors to flow meters, switches, into our remote IOs with IO Link masters and slaves, giving you connectivity up to the cloud, and also simplified motion. Therefore, these devices give you more flexibility in your application and connect the products to the cloud, making it Industry 4.0 compatible. If we think of movements once again, we just saw Simplified Motion series. However, if we want more dynamic or higher loads, then look towards our CMMT family with our new EMMT motors to create the perfect servo drive family, and the CMMT is the heart of our seamless connectivity portfolio. They all have Profinet, Ethernet IP, Modbus connectivity. Therefore, it's easy to connect them to the main architectures of the main PLC suppliers. But also, whether we go for the CMMT ST with 24 or 48 volt, all the way up to the three-phase CMMT AS with 6 kilowatts and rising, they all share the same firmware platform. This means that you can mix and match to suit the application perfectly, giving you the most economic solution for your movements. And because they all rely on the same firmware and the same tools, your programmer doesn't notice the difference. Then sometimes, depending on the situation, it could be your machine philosophy, it could be customer wishes, it may even be regional variances, or, dare I say it, delivery issues. You sometimes need to utilize PLCs from different suppliers. Now, our CMMT, with its multi-protocols, can be seamlessly integrated into the environments of all major PLC suppliers. It comes with software packages, plugins, so that it behaves just like a drive, a servo drive from these suppliers. And the same can be said with our remote I/O package, the CPX, also multi-protocol, also seamlessly integrated into the environments of our main PLC suppliers. And this gives you the flexibility to standardize your movements, maybe standardize functions within the machine, maybe even standardize cells of machines with because the drivetrain, the mechanicals, and the communication stays the same. When needs be, you simply swap out the brains of the operation. This gives you the flexibility going forward to standardize your movements. Now, I just touched on our CPX AP platform, and we're going to be seeing enough movements for a moment. I'm going to dive ever so slightly deeper into this platform. It's our new high power I/O, remote I/O platform. It gives you the continuous communication throughout the machine up to the cloud and is flexible to suit your needs. It comes with the same multi-protocol functionality to integrate it into your host system. However, we have put enough bandwidth and enough processing power in these devices to allow us to daisy chain up to 80 modules, be it digital I/O, remote I/O, I/O link masters, I/O link slaves. We can daisy chain up to 80 into one field bus node, saving layout, saving outlay. And the housing itself, or the products themselves, they are robust, they are lightweight, and even where space is at a premium, we'll find a place on the machine for them. But the main highlight is the marriage between pneumatics and electrics, as Festo valve terminals have CPX AP technology on board. So there's no need for extra bus nodes, saving programming, saving the outlay, and seamlessly integrating the pneumatics into the electrical world of the machine. So now we've had a quick look at the extensive possibilities that are possible. You may be thinking, well, how can I navigate through all of this? Well, don't worry. Festo won't leave you on your own here either. We have a multitude of digital helpers working in the background to make this process easier for you and save you time. One highlight is our new electric motion sizing tool that can be seen here. This tool is an online tool. Because it's web-based, it's quick, and with a couple of inputs, you can simply, and with a couple of clicks, come to your most economic solution from Festo's portfolio. It's free of charge and it's online. Don't take my word for it. Try it yourself, festo.com/EMS. And once you have selected your system, it will give you detailed timing diagrams, detailed movement diagrams, CAD drawings, ECAS and E-plan drawings. So give you the whole package for the setup that's in the bill of materials. And seamless connectivity doesn't stop here either. Going forward, you'll notice when you want to commission, you've got your system set up and you need to commission it, electric motion sizing will give you an export file which you can then import into our Festo Automation Suite commissioning software. The Festo Automation Suite is the universal commissioning tool for Festo's EA portfolio. Our servo drives, our valve terminals, our remote IOs can be commissioned simply and easily with just a few clicks to get your system up and running, reducing your time to the first movement and reducing your setup costs. And best of all, it's free of charge. So I hope you enjoyed this quick view and quick look at our stand today. We care about your productivity, not only in the machine, but also the productivity of your processes when you are designing a machine, when you're commissioning a machine. We're here for you to help you every step of the way, be it digitally, virtually, like today, and as soon as circumstances permit, gladly personally. Thanks for watching.